Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, cruise control, multifunction display, power windows. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.